Are you looking for one of the largest homes in the North Valley of San Jose? Welcome to an exquisite single-family home nestled in the heart of the desirable Berryessa neighborhood. This recently remodeled gem is one of the largest homes in the area and boasts a bright and airy floor plan designed to offer comfort and elegance for modern living. Now, before we talk about this home, let's go over why people choose to want to be in Berryessa and the northern parts of San Jose. The Berryessa neighborhood is renowned for its well-established charm and convenience. Residents enjoy quick access to parks such as Commodore Park, Penitencia Creek Park, and Cataldi Park. Top-rated schools are also spread throughout this area. You got lots of great shopping centers, plenty of restaurants to choose from, and the most southern BART station is in this area. The main reasons, though, is people want to be close proximity to the major freeways and tech companies like Nvidia, Cisco, Meta, Alphabet, Apple, along with many more. This way, it makes it one of the best value locations for professionals and families alike. Now that you know why people choose this area and why it's one of the hottest areas in the South Bay, let's go inside to take a look at the place. Now, as you step inside, you're going to be greeted by the new carpeting all throughout the staircase and upstairs, along with fresh interior paint that flows seamlessly throughout the home. The spacious living room area features a modern fireplace and recessed lighting, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Now, the heart of this home is the updated new kitchen, complete with a new range, new dishwasher, granite countertops, new cabinets, and state-of-the-art appliances. The large kitchen island featuring new light fixtures provides ample space for meal prep and casual dining, a dream for culinary enthusiasts. Now, this style isn't common in the region, so enjoy this rare setup with a lot more kitchen space than all the other homes nearby. Now, this home offers 4 generously sized bedrooms, each featuring walk-in closets and 2.5 beautifully updated bathrooms. The primary suite is a true retreat, featuring new carpet, double pane windows, providing a luxurious experience. One of my favorite places, and this is not common, is this huge bonus rooms upstairs, offering endless possibilities for customizations, whether you envision it as a home office, playroom, or potentially a 5th bedroom. Step outside to discover an expansive backyard, ideal for outdoor entertaining or simply relaxing in the California sunshine. The backyard features 8 types of mature fruit trees, providing a personal orchard for you. The low-maintenance front yard and the house fronting a large, undeveloped, open area add to the serene environment and privacy. Don't miss this opportunity to make this stunning property your new home. Contact me today to schedule a private tour and experience the beauty and comfort this home has to offer. Thank you for watching. See you next time.